Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to create post API and how we can post data to the server. And also let's see what are all the steps we need to follow to post some data to the server. So this is the folders we just created, and we also created get API. We have this method get all products which returns all the products from the product model. So these are all the products returning through this static get API get products method, and this is the route which gets all the products to the client. This is the one route which helps in posting the data. So let's see. So we will be receiving some data and we will be storing it in variable, and we will be requesting this data through request.body. And what are all the products request data we were receiving from the body, we will be storing it in variable. And let's console that data just for our understanding. I'm going to name this as product data, and we will be sending some response to this client. We will send some text. Let's run our server, and in our post API I will be copying this previous request we just sent. I will be copying the same just for testing purpose, and we can send post data. Let's duplicate this one, duplicate tab, and we just need to convert this to post, and the route will be same. Let's check in our product routes. See, this is the route post, the same routes, only the difference is the method is post. So let's go to our Postman. In body we need to select raw, and you need to select JSON here. So here let's create an object. I'm just going to name this as ID will be, let's make it 5. T-shirt, let's make it 5. Let's do post request, and now it is showing 200. Okay, and post data successful. And let's check in our, here it is showing undefined. This is because the data which we are sending from Postman data in JSON format, but even if we are sending in JSON format, the server is going to be parse that data into JSON. To do that, we will be using separate middleware for that. That is called Body Parser. Let me show you that Body Parser middleware in npm package. So this is the link, and these are all the documentation about that Body Parser. And first we need to install this Body Parser in our project. So copy this command. Let's go to our project, and here in terminal clear this, install npm body parser, install this body parser in our package.json file. We have this body parser right now, and let's see how to use this body parser. So we need to import this body parser, import this in server.js file, import that one. We need to add this file in our server.js file. Above all this we defined all these routes, right? We need to define this code above all these routes. And this is not app, we just created as server, right? So we need to rename it to server.use. It is using body parser, and let's run it once again, node server.js. Now let's go to our Postman, and let's once again send some data to the server. Now it is showing post data successful, and here now we can see this data id 5 class. This is the name of the product. Now we are getting some data. This is how you can send data from client to the server using Body Parser middleware. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.